This is HMS Medical Systems new DIGITRAC 101, and this is our new version of the DIGITRAC. And as you can see, we have made it much more compact in size. You can no longer see the protruding pillar on top. It's much more compact and easy to use right now. So this new DIGITRAC has this safety switch, which when it's unplugged, the device won't switch on. So when the switch is unplugged, you'll have a notification on the device that shows the patient safety switch needs to be plugged in. So only after plugging in you'll be able to see the menus, and also when the device is running and by mistake when the safety switch is unplugged, the device automatically stops and gives you the notification. So this is all done to make sure that the patient has the maximum safety, and the safety switch is operated by the patient. So whenever they feel the pain or whenever they feel it necessary to stop the treatment, they can press the switch to stop the treatment. There are some fine details which we added to this 101. So on this display to the left, you can see a sliding bar. So the bar goes up and down depending on the weight that it's pulling. So as the bar goes up, it means the weight is being pulled, the weight gets increased, and as the bar goes down, then it's retreating back. So that's what the light represents. So now we are going to look at cyclic intermittent. So inside cyclic intermittent we have cervical and pelvic. So the main difference between progressive static and cyclic intermittent is the way it pulls. In progressive static, let's say we set a weight of 20 kgs and the steps as 5 kg, and then you divide 20 kg by 5, and the device pulls up to 4 kg, stops, and then pulls up to 8 kg, stops, and then so on it goes until 20 kgs. That's how progressive static works. And then the way cyclic intermittent works is let's say we set the maximum weight as 50 kg and the minimum weight as 20 kgs, and then the number of steps as 5. Then the maximum kg 50 is divided by 5, and then the minimum is 20 is divided by 5, and initially it pulls up to 10 kgs and then retracts back to 4 kgs. The 4 kg is the step count of the 20 kgs. So it retracts back to 4 kgs and then it pulls up to 20 kg and then retracts back to 8 kg and then to 30 kg and then it retracts back to 12 kgs, and so on it goes in cyclic intermittent. So these are the main differences between cyclic intermittent and progressive. Now let's see how the progressive static actually works. Go into cervical and we'll fix the maximum weight as 12 kgs and the steps as 3. So now the total weight is divided by 3. So it pulls up to 4 kgs, holds, and then pulls another 4 kg and then holds for 2 seconds, and then pulls another 4 kgs up to 12 kg and holds there for 2 seconds. This is how progressive static works. Now let's see how this actually works. Now we have set the maximum weight as 12 kg and the steps as 3, and we also have the graph as you can see, which shows you how much weight is being pulled. Now it pulls up to 4 kgs and stops, and then when it pulls the another 4 kg, the bar slightly increases and stops at 8, and then again it goes to 12. So this is how it goes, and the bar to the left indicates how much weight is being pulled. So these are some of the new features which are available in the DIGITRAC. So there is another mode called pelvic. So in pelvic, the maximum weight that the device can pull is up to 90 kgs, and if the weight is set below 50 kg, then the maximum number of steps that you can set will be 5, and if the weight is set above 50 kg, then the maximum number of steps you can set is up to 10. So these are some of the new features that is available. So you can see all those graphs while the device is pulling the weight. The knob on top is the one which will be used to hold the device in place onto the table. As you can see, you can rotate the knob and then fix it to the slab which is available on the table and then tighten it down. Now we'll see how to fix the sounders into this new DIGITRAC. This is the sounders itself. It was made by HMS, and you just have to slot in the sounders into the cap which is in front of the device. You just have to slot it in, and that's it. The sounder is fixed. And then you have to tilt the table up to 15 degrees to use the sounders, so that the bottom of the sounders aligns properly. Take the hook and then fix it to the hole which is available in the sounders, just like how it is being showed in the video. And that's all. The sounders is fixed and it can be used now. So to know more about this device, you can contact us. All the contact informations are given in our website. You can also inquire about this device through our website. The link to the website is given in the description. You can also buy this device from Amazon. The link to Amazon purchase is also given in the description. Go check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.